Alright, now I've taken you over here. It's a little bit different what we got here because I want to show you something here. We've got our little bird basically shaped the way we want it, and I'm going to take a little bit more off in here, make that, really trying to get that tail at and there you go. I think we're doing real good here. Okay, what I want to do is I want to take my moto tool here, and I wanted to do something a little different. Put a little drill a couple of little holes in the bottom of my little bird. Little one here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't tighten it enough. Okay. Drill a little hole there. Come over here and try to match it. Drill a little hole right there. And I want to take, basically I have some of these old coat hangers. And I love these old coat hangers because the wiring in them is fantastic. Well, believe it or not, that was the same guy that came by before with the loud music, and he's come by again. I guess he wants me to hear his music, but oh boy. I cut me a couple of little pieces here.